Still outside. All set now, ready to race. Race number 10. The favorite, Elusive Cat. Anytime now, race number 10. Away they go, Elusive Cat from the outside, Damunligaw, Mr. Universe. Think Tank moving up Danori inside Queen's Prayer, Chanel Kuto, entry number 5, Mama Don't Preach Launlaan, running Danori inside, Unpredictable Manila's Gem is running at the tail of the field, Elusive Cat, Queen's Prayer to grab the lead, Queen's Prayer, Elusive Cat, and racing on the outside is Mr. Universe, moving up by Daral, entry number 3, Chanel Kuto, and out of four turn, Elusive Cat, Queen's Prayer, Mr. Universe, Damong Ligaw, Launlaan, racing on the outside, fifth by Daral, Chanel Kuto, as they race the final corner, Elusive Cat, this time by about 2 lengths, Mr. Universe, Danori inside, Queen's Prayer, Chanel Kuto, Damong Ligaw on the further outside, with the last 150 meters more to run, Elusive Cat by about 2 lengths, Mr. Universe, Damong Ligaw, and nearing the finish line, Elusive Cat finish the game. Second, Mr. Universe, Damong Ligaw, Mama Don't Preach, and Queen's Prayer for your fan.